What is the cost of production per unit?
Cost of production today is ranging about 15 cents to 16 cents.
And you sell in the market at?
It's a higher. So for the quarter, it was about 19 to 20 cents. And it was you will see both costs and prices were higher last year. So as it evolves, both like I said, we focus on the gross margin. So as the price evolves, we also look at how we will manage the cost.
What would Chinese prices be?
Chinese prices today are around 11 to 11.5 cents. On this, of course, you have to add the freight and you have to add the duties. The landing price was not more than, last 10 years history I'm talking about, not more than 2 or 3 cents for the end customers.
So since the focus is on margin expansion, your margins today stand at closer to 18%
Correct.
around. What is the goal with evolving technology, improving efficiency, value addition, etc.? Where do you think you can take your margins?
We will see how it evolves. You know, I can only say that we have certain strategic direction which will help us on the cost, especially with our own modules coming on, cells coming online. And as we expand there, our own US expansion coming as well. And a good mix of export and domestic, I think margin expansion will play out.
So let's talk about capex. As I can see, I think you have 3 levels of capex coming on board. There is a solar cell coming up in Chikli, you've got US, and a large one in Odisha, 6 gigawatts. Just tell us all your capex plans.
The cell capex, it's ongoing, and it should be completed in the in the current fiscal.
Q4 of this fiscal year?
Yes.
And the size?
The size is about 2,500 to 2,600, and it's coming to an end. It has been funded already. We are looking for a capex of additional 9,500. 500 is for the US operations, and 9,000 crore is going to be for the Orissa operations, which will be an integrated facility of 6 gigawatt module, cell, and wafer ingots.
And all this, so you said the Chikli one, solar cell in Gujarat, comes on board in Q4 of FY25. What about US and what about the Odisha plant?
So US also, we will be putting it on stream this fiscal as well. The capacity will be 1.6 gigawatt for US. This is the first phase. And for Orissa, we are targeting about 2 years, so fiscal 27.
So once, Mr. Doshi, by FY27, all your capex should be completed, right?
Right.
At least as of the visibility that we have today. I know you're constant. Okay. So your capacity today is, I think, a little more than 30 gigawatts.
Yeah.
What would that number go up to by FY27?
It will be 21.
21.
In the modules. Cells will be 11. Ingot and wafers will be 6 each.
Thank you for watching CNBC TV 18. For all our top stories and news updates, follow us on our social media platforms.